welcome to SMT FX. So in this video we're just going to do a quick breakdown to give you an insight of what you can expect when you join our community. So here is our Discord community. Now the way it's broken down, we've got our info section, so we've got our announcements, terminology, so if you're not familiar with some of the jargon that is used in the industry, we give a quick breakdown on what these mean. We've got some PDF documents which are part of the course, things like trading plans, entry model, supply and demand, stuff like that. We have a support section, so if there's anything that doesn't make sense through the course and you're struggling to grasp, you can ask your questions within here. We have a section for frequently asked questions, things like the type of indicators that we might use, how to find specific order blocks and stuff like that. We then have our members area where we've got a main chat where people can come in and have conversations with each other, get to know each other. Forex analysis, so this is where people will share their own chart markups and what they're looking at. We've got some traders that trade futures, crypto, metals, so things like gold, silver, stuff like that. Testimonials, so if you want to leave a review, let us know how you're getting on, or if there's anything that you want to suggest for the community, then we can place them in here. We've also got an interactive backtesting area, so when people are doing their backtesting, they can share their results and how they're getting on with the course content. Same with metals, crypto and futures. We also have some voice channels where people can go on and talk to people live, and they can also share their screen, share the charts they are looking at. We've also then got just a banter area, so if you want to go and have a laugh and chat with people, then feel free to go in there. So on our website we've designed a roadmap that will take you from being a beginner trader up to being a funded trader, so please make sure you have a read through this and understand that this isn't a process to be rushed. So have a read through this, there's some valuable information in here and it takes you through the different phases that we aim to take you through. So here we have the SMT dashboard. So scrolling down we've got the SMT methodology, so these are the individual lessons that cover everything from order blocks all the way up to liquidity. We've got our strategy variants, trading psychology, weekly forecasts and our Zoom meetups. So when approaching our course content, be sure to make use of our hyper learning methodology. Now this will give you a step-by-step guide on giving you the best opportunity to fully understand the content that we have created. And finally, welcome to the SMT FX community. We hope you find a lot of value in this community and through our course content. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a message in the Discord channel.